This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Make a circle of diameter 58. Make a line of 34 and again 34. Mirror or copy. Make reference circle of 36 diameter and make a small circle of 10 diameter and select polar array. Number of array is 6. Then OK. Now we'll select the reference circle and dashed line. And then set current. OK. Select circle and assign the dashed line. Copy it into another place. Change the array definition of number of holes is here 10 and then OK. Make line from the center of 40 mm. Of diameter 16. Or 22 downside. Make another circle of radius 20, diameter is 40. Also in upside direction, radius 20. Make a fillet of radius 15, both the sides, downside, and trim. Create a tangent line, upside, and mirror it. Trim extra portion. Our drawing is finished.